now you decide your bill. Yes, that's the kind of tagline you get to hear when you see these kind of air conditioners that are launched by LG, which are energy managers. Yes, when we say energy manager, that simply means that they are the managers who are going to manage your electricity bill. Now, how's that even possible? Yes, that is possible with this air conditioner that's been launched by LG, and it manages your electricity bill with the efficiency of managing the electricity consumption in your house. And that's why they say you decide your bill. As you can see, the kind of electricity or the wattage that's used in your homes by the air conditioner, now it's going to be managed by the ACs itself. What other feature does it have? We'll quickly tell you. The Energy Manager features something which marks a significant milestone in LG's commitment to sustainability and consumer empowerment. This cutting-edge feature allows users to define their energy usage preferences and periods, leveraging Wi-Fi connectivity to optimize compressor usage and minimize energy consumption effortlessly. With Energy Manager, consumer can enjoy greater control over their energy usage, leading to significant savings on electricity bills without compromising on comfort. यानी ये Energy Manager AC आपके बिजली के बिल को करेगा काफी कम. Now, wasn't that fantastic? Well, that's not all. We have another surprise for you, and which is what happens when the art meets tech. This happens. Yes, this is the new black mirror finish air conditioner that's been launched by LG. Again, now you could see how beautiful it looks, and you see you don't need a mirror when you have this AC at your home. Look at that. I can actually do my whole makeup and see how I look with this mirror finish that you see in the air conditioner here. It's all black with a lot of features inside it. Again, that's art on your wall and looks very, very beautiful. That's the first time that I've actually seen a black colored air conditioner, and this is the Art Cool from LG. What all feature does this also have? We'll quickly tell you. Art Cool with a black finish mirror. This series offer enhanced visual appeal while delivering the same advanced features synonymous with LG air conditioners. These state-of-art air conditioners are now available for purchase in capacities ranging from 1 ton to 2 tons. And with these, it has unveiled several other key features across new lineup. So what do we get in these ACs? Well, copper condensers with gold fin coating. The new LG ACs are fortified against rust and corrosion. The innovative Him Clean feature eliminates bacteria from internal components, maintaining a hygienic cooling environment. ThinQ Care. LG ThinQ Care will get even smarter in 2024 with 2 new features. Furthermore, the low gas detection and foul smell detection features enhances user experience by promptly identifying and alerting users to potential issues. LG air conditioners are available at the price range of 35,000 to 60,000, and also they'll be available online and offline both. So, well, lots from the air conditioners from LG that actually has some amazing features. So, we leave you with these fantastic air conditioners. Have a closer look and enjoy.